is the life. Let me tell you, it is so nice to get food and water whenever I want without ever having to lift a finger. And guess who gets to experience that luxury next? Your pets! Introducing the Rosewell Automatic Pet Feeder and Water Fountain.
Wait, so do we get a turn?
Check back with me at the end of the episode. Grape, please. What's up, guys? I'm Devin Howard, the resident Newegg animal lover, and I'm here today bringing you more bougie accessories for your beloved little fur babies. But before we dive in, follow me on Instagram. I'm there as @DevinHoward, and I'm on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. Welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. Recently, we unboxed a Rosewell pet stroller, and if you watched that episode, you know that's an item I already use and love. My pets deserve to be treated like royalty, so I'll buy them literally anything that makes their lives more comfortable. That's why I am so excited to tell you guys about the Rosewell Automatic Pet Feeder and the Automatic Water Fountain. Both of these devices make sure your pets are taken care of when they feel hungry or thirsty. So let's get them out of the box. It's time to unbox this. Lola and Chelsea, this one's for you. All right, got my box cutter. Start off with the small item first. All right, so the first thing out is the product overview as well as the quick start guide. This looks like it's part of the water basin. Here it looks like we have some filters. And then here we have your power cable. Inside here you can see that there is a little LED light to make the water fountain easy to find in the dark. All right, so that's everything that comes in this box. Let's move on to this one. Okay, so here we have the automatic pet feeder. Okay, so we've got some things in here. First things first, we have the user guide and your product overview. We've got your power cord. This is the small portion food dispenser. And this is the food bowl. Okay, you guys, so that's everything that came in those boxes. I'm gonna set these guys up and then we'll talk about them. Let's start off by talking about the Rosewell Automatic Pet Feeder. This works for your dog or your cat and it holds up to 6.5 pounds of dry food. That's a lot of food, way more than your dog should be eating in a normal day. So luckily the food dispenser also comes with portion control. It has 2 food dispenser sizes, a small one for little animals and a large one for bigger pets. This will control how much your pet eats in a day. Even though chubby dogs and cats are super cute, it's not healthy for them. This automatic food dispenser makes it easy to keep your dogs and cats full and not stuffed. You can schedule up to 4 meals ahead of time so your precious pups can eat their meals on a consistent basis. This is great if you're working long hours at a job and you don't want to have to worry about your pet going hungry. The dry food bin comes with a lock to keep the food fresh, and the easy-to-read digital interface is simple to use. It's a battery-operated device so you can place the feeder anywhere in your home. So take a look at the digital interface right here. You can see there are different meals laid out: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and 4th meal. You've got your on-off button, you've got the size, you can set the time. This is all very simple and easy to use. After chowing down on their dinner, your dog or cat will likely be thirsty, and that's where the automatic pet water fountain comes in handy. This super quiet drinking fountain produces minimal noise while it's running. It holds up to 2 liters of liquid so your pet can have a sip of fresh water whenever he or she wants throughout the day. There are 2 water dispensing modes available: spring water mode, which is ideal for small pets, and waterfall mode, which works for big dogs. This water fountain comes complete with a nightlight to make it easy to find in the dark, and it's built to last for 2.5 to 4 years, so you're covered for a while with this. If keeping your pets happy is your top priority, giving them access to fresh food and clean water is so important. The Rosewell Automatic Pet Food Dispenser and Automatic Pet Water Fountain are incredible products every animal lover should have on hand. Shop for them at the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching. We just unboxed unbox this. Oh, dang it, gotta run. Bye!
You said we'd each get a turn! Curse you, Devin Howard!